So when I got to the top of the stairs, I went into this room, and now I'm going to go down the hallway. And you see a room to the left, a bathroom straight ahead, a room to the right, and another room around the corner. These are all your bedrooms. So I'm going to start with this one over here. This seems like to me the master, but a couple of them could be the master. So again, the fireplace, freshly painted. Sorry, closets. You got one there. You got one there, but if you go through this closet, you're going to go into a bathroom that is shared with the bedroom I just showed you. So you definitely got some plumbing things going on. Blue Maxes. Oh, maybe that's not Blue Max. So you got those issues. And you have no bathtub. Okay. Windows are pretty rough. A lot of lead-based paint, of course. No surprise there. And then your ceilings. A bit rough too. That's all moisture. Being closed up all this time. Okay, I'm going back out into the bedroom we just left. Closet space on both sides. So, in that bedroom, there's a huge hole in the ceiling. So you got 1, 2, 3 windows in this bedroom. You have this. When you look up there, you really don't see a lot. So they may have put in new ducting. I don't see any moisture, but that's what you see. Alright. I'm leaving this bedroom, and I'm going to go through. It connects to the hall bath. Everything connects. So that's the third bedroom across the way. So this is the middle hall bathroom. Hear me breathing, it's hot in here. I got a few little holes here and there. Some plumbing going on. Storage. Here's the steps I came up. And there's this dinky, dinky little bathtub that maybe your kids might like. It's kind of funny. It's hard to tell. I know it's really not a very good picture, but not a lot of light here. Okay, I'm going back out in the hallway. Again, the wood floors are gorgeous. So we've been in 2 bedrooms. There's a third one. 2 closets, gas fireplace, storage, overlooks the side yard, has a balcony. There's the bathroom I just left. This balcony has a rubber roof. I think there's somebody here to see this house, so I'm going to have to shut this down here real soon. 4th bedroom. Only one with wallpaper. This, that closet, and this closet. Sorry. Fireplace also exits out onto the deck.